Meet Brenda. She's in charge of information security for Mega Market, a fast-growing, reputable merchant. But recently, the company's success has attracted hackers, organized crime, and crooks. These assailants are highly sophisticated bugs who are constantly trying to sneak in, steal information, and cause all kinds of havoc for Mega Market and its customers. Brenda's network security woes used to keep her up at night, but then she made a call to Quest. Quest recommends a security workshop to help Brenda and her staff assess and reveal their network vulnerabilities and develop a plan for a secure future. The Quest team suggests a threat-centric approach to security, facilitated by Cisco's next-generation security product line, focusing not only on before the attack, but just as importantly, during and after the attack. Before any damage can be done, Quest finds the cracks in Mega Market security and shores up vulnerabilities in the network environment to keep out intruders. But no matter how well you secure a network system, some of these bugs find their way in through all kinds of devices. Brenda knows that during this phase, and with Quest monitoring, she can work with Quest to detect, block, and stop the attack with real-time intelligence. And finally, if an attack should succeed, after securing the network, Quest will be able to monitor, scope, contain, remediate, and report on the security problem swiftly, allowing Brenda to get ahead of the issue, know what happened, confirm resolution, and avoid scandalous news stories. Brenda and her staff are relieved they won't be headline news and on the hook, knowing their customers' personal information is protected. With the help of Quest and the security workshop performed, plus Cisco's next-generation security products, Brenda is confident that Mega Market is as secure as it can be before, during, and after an attack. To learn more about securing your network, visit this long string of words.